Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the private BDS colleges in Maharashtra with their cutoff rank along with cutoff marks and their annual fees. We have discussed some colleges in earlier video. You can check that on our channel. So to start with the first college, that is SMBT Dental College Nashik, the annual fees is approximately 4,13,000, and this is the college SMBT Dental College. The cutoff for SC category is 3,01,000, ST category 5,16,000, VJ category 6,21,000, NTB category 8,71,000, NTC category 3,10,000, NTD category 5,96,000. For OBC, EWS and open category 3,35,000 and 3,08,000 respectively. For D1, D2, D3 category 3,28,000, 2,81,000 respectively. For PH and MKB category 2,85,000 and 5,14,000 respectively. So this is the college. The next college we have is VYWS Dental College Amravati, Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society Dental College and Hospital Amravati. So the fees for this college is approximately 3,31,000 for open category. For SC category it is around 3,35,000. For ST category 3,93,000. For VJ category 4,71,000. For NTB, NTC, NTD category 5,64,000, 4,81,000 respectively. For OBC, EWS and open category 4,36,000, 6,25,000, and for open category 4,11,000. For D1, D2, D3 category 4,11,000, 3,38,000 and 5,40,000 respectively. For the other categories the marks are available, that is approximately 253 marks and 290 marks in NEET. The next college we have is VSPM Dental College Nagpur. So this is the college VSPM Dental College Nagpur. The fees for this college is approximately 4,52,000 per year. The cutoff for SC category is 2,34,000. For ST category 4,42,000. For VJ category 4,66,000. For NTB, NTC, NTD category 9,42,000, 5,60,000 respectively. For EWS open, for OBC, EWS and open category 4,93,000 and 2,20,000 respectively. For D1, D2, D3 category 3,20,000, 4,87,000 respectively. For PH category 2,27,000. For MKB category 6,04,000. So this is the college that is VSPM Dental College Nagpur. The next college we have is Kambe Dental College Akola. This is the college Kambe Dental College Akola. The annual fees is approximately 2,80,000 for open category. The cutoff for SC category is around 3,65,000 rank. For ST category 4,94,000. For VJ category 4,32,000. For NTB, NTC, NTT category 5,98,000, 4,07,000 and 4,90,000 respectively. For OBC, EWS and open category 4,09,000, 6,07,000 and 4,08,000 respectively. For D1, D2, D3 category 4,08,000, 6,34,000 respectively. For PH and MKB category 3,67,000 and 5,55,000 respectively. So this is the college, that is Kambe Dental College Akola. The next college we have is SDKS Dental College Nagpur. The annual fees, so this is the college SDKS Dental College Nagpur. The annual fees for this college is 3,04,000 for open category or general category. The cutoff for SC category is 3,05,000, ST category 5,19,000, VJ category 6,95,000, NTB, NTC, NTD category 8,85,000, 3,64,000 and 3,72,000. For OBC, EWS and open category 3,08,000, 8,000, 5,28,000, 3,64,000. For D1, D2, D3 category 3,64,000, 3,54,000 respectively. For PH, MKB and NRI category 3,06,000, 5,29,000 and 2,12,000 respectively. So this is the college. The next college we have is CSMSS Dental College Aurangabad. This is the college, that is CSMSS Dental College Aurangabad. The annual fees is approximately 3,34,000 for open category. For Cutoff for SC category is around 2,46,000, ST category 3,75,000, VJ category 6,99,000, NTB category 6,99,000, NTC category 2,89,000, NTD category 2,89,000. For OBC, EWS and open category 2,85,000, 2,85,000 and 2,90,000 respectively. For D1, D2, D3 category 2,90,000, 2,59,000 respectively. For PH, MKB category 2,16,000 and 3,49,000 and 1,09,000 respectively. So this is the college. The next college we have is MIDSR Dental College, Latur. This is the college, MIDSR Dental College, Latur. It is one of the prestigious colleges for BDS in Maharashtra. For annual fees, the fees is 3,62,000 for open category. For SC category, the cutoff is around 2,97,000. For ST category, the cutoff is around 4,72,000. For VJ category, 7,09,000. For NTB category, 7,23,000. For NTC category, 4,40,000. For NTD category, 4,40,000. For OBC, EWS and open category, 5,83,000 and 2,80,000. For D1, D2, D3 category, 3,14,000, 2,86,000 and 2,86,000 respectively. For physically handicapped MKB and NRI category, 2,68,000, 3,10,000 and 1,23,000 respectively. So this is the college. The next college we have SDDC Parbhani. So this is the college, SDDC Dental College Parbhani. The annual fees is approximately 4,10,000 per year. The cutoff for SC category is around 3,79,000. For ST category, 5,19,000. For VJ category, 5,89,000. NTB, NTC, NTD category, 9,47,000, 3,65,000 and 4,21,000 respectively. For OBC category, EWS and open category, 4,05,000 and 4,32,000 respectively. For D1, D2, D3 category, the cutoff is around 5,30,000, 3,71,000 and 3,71,000 respectively. For PH, MKB and NRI category, the cutoff is around 3,69,000, 5,07,000 and 2,78,000 respectively. The next college we have is Aditya Dental College, Bid. This is the college, Aditya Dental College, Bid. The cutoff or the annual fees is around 3,85,000 for open category. The cutoff for SC category is around 4,32,000. For ST category, 6,28,000. For VJ category, 6,22,000. For NTB category, 7,90,000. For NTC category, 5,35,000. For NTD category, 6,05,000. For OBC, EWS and open category, 4,37,000, 5,85,000 respectively. For D1, D2, D3 category, the cutoff is around 5,85,000, 4,39,000 and 5,77,000. For PH, MKB and NRI category, the cutoff is around 3,62,000, 6,12,000 and the marks is around 2,278, that is 278. The next college we have is Sinhgad Dental College, Hingoli. So this is the college located in Hingoli. The annual fees is around 2,15,000. The cutoff for SC category is around 4,28,000, ST category 6,18,000, VJ category 5,76,000, NTB category 9,65,000, NTC category 4,34,000, NTD category 4,38,000, OBC category 3,85,000. EWS category 3,85,000, open category 3,67,000, D1, D2, D3 category 4,12,000, 5,78,000 and 5,78,000 respectively. For PH, MKB and NRI category, the cutoff is around 3,74,000, 6,17,000 and 3,14,000 respectively. The next college we have is Nanded Dental College. So this is the college, Nanded Dental College. The annual fees is not available. For the cutoff for SC category is around 3,58,000. For ST category 5,30,000. For VJ category 7,43,000. For NTB category 9,09,000. For NTC category 3,65,000. NTD category 3,65,000. For OBC, EWS and open category 4,54,000 and 3,80,000 respectively. For D1, D2, D3 category 6,36,000, 3,23,000 and 3,23,000. For PH category 3,16,000. For MKB category 5,40,000 and for NRI category 1,93,000. So this was all about the dental colleges. We have discussed the cutoff rank, all India marks as well as the annual fees of the many private colleges located in Maharashtra for BDS. So you can comment your cutoff score with rank to predict your college, which college you can get. Like, share, and subscribe, and keep watching. Thank you. Stay tuned for various cutoff for private MBBS colleges too.